Okay, if you're a user of Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro, as all of these devices have the same kind of hardware, you might probably notice your camera has some things kind of scratches and you are always worried about that. We have a camera lens available. Let me just show you which camera lens I'm talking about. This is the camera lens which we have, and the link to buy this product is in the description. In the box you will see some dry wipes and wet wipe cotton papers. These papers you have, these cloths you have, and how to use this. It's very easy. Make sure to watch this. Let me just show you which are the things you get in the box. Here you have this kind of options. First one, we have this wet excess dirt wipe paper. Second one is we have the dry screen cleaning paper, two here and two here, and also two in the box also. So a lot of stuff is already available in this box, so you can buy this all these stuff just with a one click. The link for that build is in the description. That thing is in the description. So let me just go back and show you that how you can apply this thing on your device. This is the camera lens which I was talking about. The photo is showing something different, so don't worry about that. What you need to do is, first of all, of course, you let me just show which is the thing. In that box you also get two more these kind of wipes options, wet cloth and this dry cloth. Both of these things are present for you. This is the main thing which we were talking about. This is the camera glass which you can apply on your device camera, which will protect your camera, which is very necessary. And also let me just go to my device once, and this is the camera. You need to clean it first, and how you can clean this, of course, you have the cloth and everything is already included here, so don't worry about that. You don't need to purchase anything extra here. You simply need to just click here. You simply need to just take this cloth and just remove all the dirt available, and if you have any scratches then this thing will not work for you, but if you don't have any kind of scratch then it's quite good. So simply just go here and wait for it, and like this, as you can see, this is how you need to apply this. Open this from here, you will see this kind of scratch, this kind of paper already there. Just remove this paper from here. You will see this kind of lens, this kind of camera protector, which is very easy to apply, by the way, and I'm just showing you as an example. You can apply it very easily with some kind of concentration, no extra things needed. And let me just try to apply it once. By the way, it has simple gum, so you don't need any extra efforts to apply it on your device. And if you have applied it accidentally little bit different, or the thing which you were not wanted, what you can do is you can simply remove this very easily. I've removed it. I tried to plug it again and it was working. I didn't got any kind of bubble, so you might not get any issues. This is very easy thing and one of the must try things if you are a user of this device like Redmi Note 9s or Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro. As I previously mentioned you, this thing is compatible with all of these four devices. Let me just show you that my camera does not have any kind of issues. Yes, this is a camera protector and I don't have any kind of issues with the camera. My camera is working perfectly fine. Let me just show you once. As you can see, like this, as you can see, it's just working quite good. So yes, this was quite easy. This was all from today's short and simple video, and as I previously mentioned, the link to buy this product is in the description. And also don't forget to like and share this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me to get a lot of things. And this was all about this accessory like the camera protector, which isn't looking that bad. Of course, you can also apply it now the back cover, which is actually quite good, and to buy the back cover, link for that one is also in the description. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.